I would like to present a very simple modification of the Cetus 3D printer, MK2, to Klipper firm. It consists of a cheap Bluepill module, simple PCB and a few resistors only. It supports a leveling sensor, microswitch mounted on magnets, and an ATX-L345 module. The rest of the hardware, mainboard, motor drivers, remains the same. Additionally, the installation of physical endstops was required. I made them according to my own design. I'm using a mini ITX-type computer. Due to the limited range of modification, the printer is still noisy and does not support bed temperature stabilization, fan speed control and so on.